Today I'm going to show you basically how to get an online boarding pass for Qatar Airways. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the official website of Qatar Airways. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just wait for a few moments, and basically you're going to see the interface of the official website of Qatar Airways. Make sure that you log in with your account, and basically what you're going to do, if you want to manage, and click right here, manage and check in, and then you're going to see right here manage booking or check in. Just click the check in right here, and then you're going to just enter your booking reference and last name. And then basically what you're going to do next, after you enter the booking reference and last name, you're going to be able to click check in. And basically what's going to happen is you're going to be able to see an option that allows you to download boarding pass. And then basically you're going to be able, if you have one, as you can see, clearly I don't have one, but if you have one, you're going to be able to see a section for your reference, booking reference, or the flight flight number. You're going to be able to see download boarding pass. Click on it, and then basically you're going to be able to see your boarding pass, and then you're going to be able to download it as a PDF file or print it. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.